you're gonna follow along with me. Click the link in the description. It's gonna bring you to this page for the GitHub. Okay, a green button right here says code. You're gonna click code. At the very bottom of that drop down, it's gonna say download zip. You're gonna download that zip. It's gonna pop up over here. If you're using Google Chrome, you're gonna open this. It's gonna give you a file location. You're gonna go in here. You're just gonna hit extract all. It's gonna open up a file. Doesn't matter where it is. You're gonna close everything out, open up OBS. Then when you go over to OBS, up top in here, you're gonna see all of your drop downs you have. So you're gonna see scene collection. Right next to that's gonna be tools. Drop that down, and then right here, third one from the bottom, it says scripts. So you're gonna click scripts. There's a plus button right here. You're gonna hit that plus sign, and it's gonna allow you to go into that file that you just wanted. Actually, let me see if I can open it up for you real quick. So it's gonna be in OBS Studios. It's gonna be in my downloads, in this folder. And look, this file is from last month, 3 weeks ago, when I thought I posted this video. So I did this update, I swear. So yeah, right here, OBS Zoom the mouse, open. It's gonna show up like this. And then, important, don't forget this step, so important. Zoom source. You gotta make sure you're putting your Zoom source on the correct screen or game, whatever. So look, it's gonna give you, the only two displays I have right now are my main display and I have a display capture, right? Those are my two things. So if I'm on my display capture and I'm showing you something and I wanna zoom the mouse, make sure your display capture set. If you're on your main display and you wanna zoom in on your main display like this, then make sure it's on your main display. So that's gonna be a thing. Also, you can adjust the zoom factors, the zoom speeds, follow speeds. You can decide how far the border is, and all that kind of stuff. And you can dive even further into this, but it's gonna be on none by default. So make sure you pick your display. If it's not working, most likely, that is why. So once that's done, you can close it out. If it's not working for whatever reason, close OBS, open it back up, should be good to go. Last thing, before you can even test if it works, settings, right? We're gonna go to settings, hotkeys. You're gonna scroll down until you find toggle zoom to mouse. Follow toggle during is 2 and 1. So you can set these on your Stream Deck, keyboard, whatever. I'm usually typing, so 1 and 2 are pretty simple. Basically what's gonna happen is you can have a zoom to mouse on 1. On the old version, if you moved your mouse, it wouldn't follow it. So I would have to set a hotkey that if I'm zoomed in, it's now gonna follow my mouse wherever I scroll on the screen. It seems like for this one,